Greetings, it's Noble Gentleman Edward Jones here with Noble Gentleman Palmer and Walker. We're at the 11th Annual Love and Happiness Show featuring R. Kelly and comedian Earthquake. We just wanted to give you a quick reminder that we will still be having our spring and the summer social to be held May 16th, 2015 at the Fontainebleau Event Center.
Also to remind you that those members of the community, we're talking about your civic and social fraternities, those who have the most members present at our event will also get a donation to be used for their charitable endeavors.
So, simply put, the more of you there are, the better chance you have of providing for your organization and your charitable endeavors. We look forward to seeing you. Right now, we're going to go have a good time and enjoy the concert and the comedians, get us some laugh and some music for our soul, because it seems like we're ready to have a good time. God bless you, and we'll see. Talk to me.
One thing you got to mention also is that this is a special event, and for $30 for general admission, and also we have VIP for $40.
How could we forget that?
We're going to be having premium and well drinks for you all night. That's complimentary, no extra cost to you. So for $30 for general seating and $40 for VIP, our doors open at 8. With VIP, you get it at 7. You'll have your private bar. So come on and join NGSA and help us support our community here in San Antonio, Texas.
Choice is yours. See you there, May 16th, 2015. Peace.